So good morning all. Keep your microphone muted and camera on. And let's start with the homework first. We'll start from the people in the front. Please be prepared and do not waste time. Why do you want to share? You just make a presentation. No need to share. Speak. Speak in the microphone.
I don't have permission to unmute.
Oh, sorry. Where are you? Okay, now.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Shivam Varma, and today I am going to tell about my daily routine. First of all, my routine starts with when I get up, and I usually get up at 7 after someone's called me, and then after my morning starts with an interesting topic and and multitasking. It's a start with some ghazals, poetries, some songs, and a cup of black tea. After that, I'll do multitask, and then after I read daily newspaper. After that, I get up for, and then after the college, I reached my home and take a sleep for 2 to 3 hours, and then I go for a evening walk, and after come I read for some times and take dinner, and then after I sleep. Thank you.
I told you to make a presentation only for the morning. You did not describe what is the importance of reading newspaper. You did not tell us what is the importance of healthy food. You did not tell us what time do you get up, followed by what. So make it, this is not acceptable. There were some questions that had to be answered. Like my morning starts with getting up early in the morning. I get up around 6 every morning, and my day starts with taking a walk or listening to ghazals. My mornings are interesting. That should be included. And it should be in a flow. You're telling a story. And I did not tell you to write anything about your afternoon or evening or night. Just, it was the questions for your morning. And you did not elaborate the importance of newspaper. You did not elaborate the importance of eating healthy food. Every question needed a paragraph. And these questions are given to you so that you become fluent in English, and communicative English becomes a lot easier for you, right? Questions are only have been given for you to speak, which will help you to answer questions and later for you to speak. You understand? Do this again. Yes, next. What? So? What topic? Okay, continue.
Hello friends. I am Aditya. I am today standing here to say about social media. Social media has strongly influenced the people and the whole world. We are usually depend on technology and social media that one cannot even imagine living without it. From making connection through worldwide connectivity, from online business to digital marketing, from creating brand loyalty to awareness, social media has treatment adapted our lives. Technology, where it is come to laptop, gadgets, or social media, each and every has in its advantage and disadvantages. Everything depends on how we utilize it. Either we are using it positively or negatively. It is we have to decide about how much time we have to spend on social media so that our work does not hamper. We have to set a specific time limit for the proper use. Thank you.
Hello friends, today I am going to tell about social media. Social media popular and quickly. A popular and quickly growing knowledge and instructions are social media where people are free to gain information and express their thoughts. Sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are social media platforms dominant internationally. In our fast busy life, social media brings a breath of relief and enjoyment for minutes, which make us to focus on what we are doing best. Thank you.
When you are speaking on the microphone, your camera should be on. It was not. Yes, next. Remain sitting and keep your cameras on.
Hi, this is Amar Vishwas. Today I am a late riser. I wake up usually at 7. My day starts with having a look on my recent class notes.
Taking a look.
What
My day starts with taking a look. Taking a look. I am correcting you here and there. That is why I am asking you to read it out. Thank you. My day starts with taking a look.
My day starts with taking a look on my recent class notes. What teachers have taught in yesterday's class.
The word is teachers have taught.
Wow.
Teachers have taught.
Thank you.
What
teachers have taught in yesterday's class. It helps me in classes too much. After that, as we all know, health is wealth. I never miss my breakfast. Breakfast is an important meal of the day. Then I use social media for some time. There are so many benefits of this. You get exclusive news at the time. Then I go to college.
Hello, I am Subrato.
And from now on,
I am from.
after you finish off, we'll start from the back. So be prepared. Yeah, start.
Hello, good morning. I am Subrato and I am from Patna. Today I am presenting.
Today I'm presenting my daily routine. I generally get up at 5, but in weekend I sleep. But on weekend I sleep till late. My day starts with by taking a walk with listening music because walking keeps us healthy. I never listening to music because walking keeps us healthy. I never forget to take walk. Then I read newspaper. The newspaper which I read is Dainik Jagran. I think we all have to read the newspaper because newspaper gives us information of our country and other countries also. Also give us many knowledge. After that, I gives us After that, I take my breakfast. And I think breakfast is the most important meal of the day because it makes us active. It makes us healthy, and we all know that health is wealth. At last, I want to say that I think my morning is interesting because I can do many interesting things in the morning. Like I listen my favorite music, learn new vocabulary. I see many interesting things, visited many places when I go for a morning walk. Thank you.
And see, how can you visit places for when you go for a morning walk? Okay. And I feel good taking a walk in the morning. I can meet a lot of people when I'm going. People who are health conscious. I am health conscious, so I go for a walk. That makes it, and I meet interesting people. Not interesting places, but to meet interesting people, right? Yes, otherwise very good. See, people who are following what is done in the class, naturally they are speaking and writing better. And with each class, you will see yourself at a higher level. Yes, what about you? And we start from the people at the back. After you.
Good morning, my respected ma'am, on all my classmates. I am Rohit Raj, standing in front of you to deliver the presentation on effect of social media. We need the companionship of others to thrive in life, and the strength of our connections has a huge impact on our mental health. Being socially connected to others can ease stress, anxiety, and depression, boost self-worth. On the flip side, lacking a strong social connection can pose a serious risk to your mental and emotional health. In today's digital age, many of us rely on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram to find and connect with each other. While each has its benefit, it's important to remember that social media can never be a replacement for real one-to-one. If you are spending excessive amount of time on social media and feelings of sadness, frustration are impacting your life, it's time to re-examine your daily routine. While virtual connections on social media does not have the same psychological benefits as face-to-face contact, there are still many positive ways in which it helps us communicate and stay up to date with family and friends, find new friends and communities, network with other people who share similar interests or ambitions, find an outlet for your creativity, talent and self-expression. Social media may promote negative experiences such as cyberbullying, self-absorption, depression and anxiety, fear of missing out, anxiety, frustration. Fear of missing out, it states that you will start to feel that others having more fun or living better lives than you and you are missing out. That's all, thanks.
Yeah, okay, good. Next. Let us start maybe from the back, yeah. Please take this chance to prove your skills and prove your worth.
Hello everyone, respected ma'am and my dear friends. My name is Deepak Kumar. Today I here to speak to share my opinion about social media. Social media is the biggest network in the world. Social media, an online platform where we can share information through video and pictures. It has an important part of our life. There are many social media like Twitter, Instagram, group, etc.
We cannot see you. put your phone in such a way that you can do.
Social media has both advantage and disadvantage. I like to mention advantage. The biggest benefit of social media is that we can share our thoughts and ideas. And other one, people sell a lot of things like book, pen, electronic device, etc. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Myself Sajid. Today I will share
myself. My name is.
My name is Sajid. Today I will share my morning daily routine with you guys. Generally, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Firstly, I get fresh. Sometimes Sometime I go for a little walk for some time, and then I take a shower. Of course, around 8 o'clock I eat breakfast. Of course, breakfast is an important meal of the day, but sometimes unfortunately I don't eat if I'm busy. If I don't eat breakfast, I will feel it entire day. So it's a pretty important meal. To be honest, I don't usually read physical newspaper. I read in newspaper in phone. Just check my news. I love to hear songs. I play a good playlist while getting ready for the college. That's all my morning routine. That's all.
Stay there. Your morning routine was so non-technical. This was not the guidelines which I gave you. Even when you're not reading the newspaper, at least you can tell me what is the importance of reading news, whether it's on your mobile or your internet or whatever. The importance of reading the print media or the electronic media, that is up to you. So many people, most of us do not read the newspaper, but they watch the news on or the Google or whatever. And you have to highlight the importance of the print media, importance of news in our life, and the importance of taking healthy food. And you are contradicting yourself that I do not take, so I feel tired the whole day. Now, on the basis of your daily routine, you will be recruited in the company or not. The morning shows the day, what kind of a person you are, what type of a person you are. So I told you all the important points of what is the importance of food, what is the importance of breakfast, what is the importance of staying fit. Like if you exercise, if you take a walk, it means you are very conscious about yourself. And a person who is very conscious will naturally take up a job and do justice to it. Otherwise, you will feel tired the whole day because today I was very busy. I did not take breakfast. So your daily routine was all non-technical, and on the basis of your presentation, this is not acceptable. Otherwise, good trying. Yes, next. कुछ भी आप नहीं बोल दे सकते हैं, कुछ भी कहीं से भी. Just for the sake of speaking, don't do that. These questions are very technical, right? Yes, next. That is why I told you. Pay attention in class. See what the teacher is saying. I take a shower. Again, you included I take a shower. I told you, do not put unnecessary activities. Yes, next. People at the back. They are not at all paying attention. Yes? It means you are not prepared, right? All right. Somebody will raise his hand, may come up.
Ma'am, I want to speak.
Nancy. Okay, Nancy is online. Fine. Start, Nancy.
Yes, good morning to all of you.
I
am Nancy Kumari. I want to talk about my daily routine. I usually wake up at 6. On weekdays, I get up early, but on weekends, I sleep till late night. So I wake up at
late night. Oh my God! I sleep till late.
I sleep, ma'am.
I sleep till late.
वही तो बोला मैंने मैम. I sleep till late night.
No, Not night. मतलब
Okay, ma'am.
वीकेंड में हम देर तक 1 मिनट वीकेंड में मैं देर तक सोती हूँ.
Yes, ma'am. I sleep till late.
Yes, night नहीं. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Continue.
I sleep till late, so wake up at 8. My day start with listen to soft music.
हेलो मैं नहीं समझी नहीं. मेरा मतलब था मैंने कहा था on weekdays I get up early. मैं जल्दी उठती हूँ लेकिन छुट्टियों में मैं देर तक सोती हूँ.
Yes, ma'am.
छुट्टियों में मैं देर तक सोती हूँ. मंडे टू सैटरडे मैं जल्दी उठती हूँ और छुट्टियों में मैं देर तक सोती हूँ. So on weekdays I get up early, but on weekends I sleep till late. देर तक आप सोते हो. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
You did not understand the concept. अब समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
I sleep
my
till late.
days. Okay, ma'am. I sleep till late. My day start with listen to soft music followed by a glass of warm water.
Stop. My day starts with.
My day starts with listening to music. Listening to soft music followed by a glass of warm water. After that, I freshen up myself and for about 10 minutes.
Freshen up, delete that. मैंने मना किया वो सब नहीं यूज करना है. Freshening up तो already understood है भाई.
Okay, ma'am.
That is understood. Extra activities आप क्या करते हैं? What are your activities? जो सब करते हैं वो थोड़ी करना. That is routine work.
Okay, ma'am. For about 10 minutes, I take a stroll with my sister on the terrace. Then I take a cup of tea. Most importantly, I never skip my breakfast as I know the importance of health because health is wealth. So I eat a healthy breakfast around 8 o'clock and take a glass of water to stay hydrated. After that, I read the English newspaper as it provides information and general knowledge. And by this, I learn new words and phrases. And it is a new ways to express myself in the English language.
Very good.
And then I get ready for my online classes. I log in on the Zoom before 5 minutes of the class timing. And then I attend my first class at 9 o'clock. After attending online class, I have my lunch at 2:30 and then I take a power nap for an hour. That's all for today.
Very good. Very good. Very nicely compiled, except take care of some changes which I told you about. Like freshening up, not required. You already, it is understood. Class में आते हो तो आप freshen होकर के ही आते हो.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
So here the person is, when you're trying to discuss your daily routine, you also highlighting what kind of a person you are. तो किस तरह के तुम्हारा character क्या है? What is your interest? It shows your personality, right? That is why this question is important. Yes, next. Go, otherwise, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bharti Singh. You. Bharti Singh, come on. Yeah. What? हाँ ठीक है. Your camera should be on, but.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. I am Bharti Singh, and today my topic is social media. Social media is a computer-based technology that has facilities for sharing of ideas, thought, and information through the buildings of virtual networks. The largest social media network includes Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Social media may take the form of variety of tech-enabled activities. These activities include photo sharing, social gaming, social network, etc. Importance of social media. It shows the world how you are. It's help in share our feelings, problems, issues, thoughts, news, events, photos, or videos. Advantage of social media. It increases your visibility, educate yourself, connected anytime. It gives us an opportunity to talk what about you know and what we want to know for. Thank you. Okay. वीडियो मेरा बंद हो गया.
Thank you and हो गया.
Thank you. क्या?
What? I said thank you and ho gaya, and then kya? Is that all included in your presentation or what? And yes, Raj Aryan, roll number 37. Online or offline? Yeah, okay. You switch on your camera first.
Hello friends, I am here. Hello friends, I am here to tell about the topic of the social media. Friends, as you know about the social media, today the world is a global world and the village is also a global village. Everyone is connected to one another in this vast network generated by the internet. As I said by the philosopher of the communication theory, the new electronic independence recreated the world in the image of the global village. The electronic independence is in here dependent upon the internet. It is illuminated the lives of thousands of people by spreading the knowledge internationally, thereby making us global. As we know in the past, the communication and the free sharing of thought among the people were restricted by the long distance, nationally and regionally. But now, even through a barrier that cannot flow the information and the knowledge, the new world of the social networking allow to free sharing of the thought. Online social network are created by the websites such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Sorry, which has emerged a giant of a social world. I shared some data about a student who involved in the social media. Uh, as of 2015, the world largest social networking company, Facebook, has 1.49 billion active users, and the number of the user is increasing every year. Most of the interesting thing is to look the increasing number of the student user on such social networking site. As per the survey conducted by the Pew Research Center, 72% of the high school student and the 78% of the college student spending the time on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Thank you.
All right, we'll take in two more. Muskan Kumari.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Muskan. My topic is social media. Social media is a because of its user-friendly features. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more are giving people a chance to connect with each other across distances. It gives us quick electronic communication of contents like articles, news, images, videos, etc. The social media is the greatest platform of learning, awareness, and information. It plays an important role in the education economy, marketing, politics, as well as in social life. Social media is having a great impact on the youth, as they are the ones who are most acting on social networking sites, like how there are always two sides to a coin. The same goes for social media. There are also some advantages and disadvantages of social media. We cannot ignore the fact that social media is one of the biggest elements in our lives. Thank you.
Roshan Arya.
Respected ma'am and all my dear classmates, Today I'm going to speak on the topic social media. Today, numerous of people around the world activity use social media, which has affected many aspects of human life, like mental health, relationships, business, criminal, investigations, employment, news, and even many more. This is why social media have become so popular in academy. There are many aspects of social media that we have to consider, like as positive and negative effect of social media, the impact of social media on youth, the role of social media in education, the role of social media in cyberbullying, the role of social media in diversity, the role of social media in health and unhealthy lifestyle, the effect of social media on identities when modern phenomenon of fake identities and having different online and offline identities. It like the impact of social media on mental health. The article from the Center of Mental Health reports on the links found between social media use and mental health issues such as loneliness, anxiety, and lower life satisfaction, and its negative effect on sleep quality, fear of many things. And in short, I want to say that social media has both advantages and disadvantages, but it all depends on the users, and also it depends on the youth must create a balance between everything, like performance of their physical activities and all. And at last, I just only want to say that access of everything is dangerous for everyone. That's all. Thank you.
All right, very good. You need to take care of some grammatical errors here and there. Yes, Rose Gupta.
Hello everyone. Good morning. Today presenting my daily routine. I normally get up at 7 o'clock and my day starts with followed by prayers. After that, I go out.
My day starts with prayers, followed by taking a walk.
Followed by the taking of
ठीक है,
walk.
I don't know आपका क्या है, लेकिन my day starts with prayers.
Okay, ma'am, sorry. Then I go out to exercise and watching trees, creatures, plants, and others, giving me energy and joy throughout every day. And in the morning, the pure air flows, which I take in, and it keeps me healthy. And then I do yoga, because yoga is an ancient activity, and yoga is good for health. After that, I read newspaper. I read Hindustan newspaper. Newspaper keeps me informed about what is going
information. Newspaper gives me information. It
Information.
keeps me updated.
Gives me updated about what is
it keeps me updated.
Newspaper, it keeps me updated about what is going in nation and world, as well as the development in every field. And print media is very big contribution in our life. Print media has helped me to show all aspects of history. After that, I take breakfast. Breakfast is most important meals of the day, because breakfast boosts my energy levels, and breakfast helps me control my self and boosts my brain power, because health is wealth. After that, I go to my college and spend my time in college very well. And then at noon I usually has lunch with my friends. After that, I rest some time. Then I do my homework and I walk around outside. Because
I walk around
outside, because evening time is very good time, because natural winds blows. I do not watch TV on weekdays. I go to bed at about 10 o'clock. On weekdays, I usually meet my friends and listen to music and goes to the movies. And I spend my everydays very well. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good.
And ma'am, I share my.
What? And?
Ma'am, I speak social media.
Yeah, okay. Hello?
Yes, ma'am, I am not audible.
All right, that's good.
Today
You are not audible.
I am not audible.
Hello? Next day.
Thank you.
It's good that people
I am not audible.
Right now you are. Yes, it's good that you are taking interest and participating. We have just 2 minutes more left. I would like to call up Pritesh. What is the name? Pritesh Anand. Yeah. So today's last presentation.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Hello, everyone. Myself, Pritesh Anand, and I am a student
Why
of the
myself?
BCA.
My name is
Pritesh Anand, and I am the student of the BCA. At first, I want to say you all good morning to you all, and good morning to you, ma'am. Today our topic is the social media. Our today's social media. Social media is the most important thing in our today's life. The people around the world of the activity use the social media, which has been affected many aspects of the human life, of the mental health, relationships, business, criminals, and other things. This is the why the social media have become the so popular in this era. This is the many aspect of the social media that we have the conscious positive and negative effect of the social media. The impact of the social media on youth, the role of the social media in education, the role of the social media in cybercrime, the role of the social media in health and unhealth and healthy life and etc. things. In social media, addiction is a real thing. Impact of the social media on the mental health, the side from the certain mental health put the link and between the social media, we mental health issue are the such as the loneliness, anxiety, depression, and etc. things. Now, social media is also important for the daily routine because our banks and other things are the operated by the social medias and the internet connection. Without these connections, we can't log in our IDs and other things. Nowadays, our class is also joined with the help of social media and the internet. So our social media is also necessary thing for the life. Thanks.
All right, that's good. All right, that's it for today then.